Hey, it's me, Leah, and if you have fur babies like me that you're trying to potty train, or you want them to potty in a specific area, or they just don't like to go outside, but you kind of want to give them that grass feeling, that's exactly what this is. This is a roll of artificial grass for your fur babies. And we're gonna open these up real quick before I actually take this outside and see if my little guy will actually go to the bathroom on these. This is wrapped really well. So here's the outside. It has like a textured outside, and then I'm just gonna roll this out for you. Look at that. It's like fake grass for my fur babies, and you can use this inside or outside. It has that nice thick padding underneath it. I'm probably gonna put this outside, and we're gonna see what my little guy does. This is a great way to potty train them or give them somewhere to scratch, because he's probably gonna scratch this up really good too. And I'm super excited to see. This was gifted for me for review, so let's go ahead and put this outside and see what he does, because if I know my little guy, he's going to scratch this, pee on it, and do everything you can to this. This is 2x6. I have it right here out in my patio. Gives them a nice stretch to walk on without me having to put them in the grass. There is my little guy checking out the grass. This is a little artificial turf, but knowing him, he's gonna leave his mark. He's gonna mark that territory. And he's not gonna be peeing on all my other stuff. This was free for review. And look at him kicking his feet on it like he owns it. I highly recommend if you're training dogs or just want to give them that little artificial grass. This is a neat product to have.